Now the next organelle is Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus, these are also present in all eukaryotic cell, and this Golgi, it was first observed by Camillo Golgi, and so the name Golgi, it came after his name. Now in Golgi there are flat disc shaped sacs which are called as cisternae. In endoplasmic reticulum also we have seen the sacs were called as cisternae. Here also these sacs, these are known as cisternae. So these are flat disc shaped structure. Now the cisternae that are facing near the nucleus, it is called the cis phase. This is convex and this is facing towards the nucleus. It is facing towards the nucleus. This is known as cis phase. And the other phase, the other part which is facing the plasma membrane. So this side, this is concave side, and these are known as trans phase. So here the plasma membrane will be present, right? This is a cell, suppose. This is our plasma membrane, suppose. So this trans phase will face towards the plasma membrane, and here this is our this Golgi will be facing towards the nucleus. So nucleus, then endoplasmic reticulum, then next we have Golgi. Next to that we will have Golgi. So this cis phase will face towards the nucleus. Now if I talk about function of Golgi, many important function is carried out by Golgi. So vesicle, can you see here? Incoming transport vesicle. So this vesicle, it will come from endoplasmic reticulum. They may have protein if it comes from rough endoplasmic reticulum, or they may have lipid if it comes from smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So this vesicle, it will come from, these are the vesicles, students, which I was talking about. So this vesicle, it will come to the Golgi apparatus from endoplasmic reticulum, and they will release the material in the Golgi apparatus. So in Golgi apparatus, in Golgi, further modification will start from cis phase. When it will move towards the trans phase, modification of the substance, either the protein or the lipid, will occur in the Golgi, and then these, once the modification is over, these materials, these particles, these are then delivered outside, or these are then secreted outside the cell. So here it is our secretory vesicles. Here it was our incoming transport vesicle from which was coming from endoplasmic reticulum. So it will enter the Golgi. In Golgi, the process of modification, further modification will occur, and then these are released or secreted from the Golgi. So this is our secretory vesicles. Now this secretory vesicle will go wherever the product is needed. So we can say secretion and packaging of substances, it occur in Golgi. For example, secretion and packaging of proteins, polysaccharides, these occur in the Golgi. Next important function is glycosylation. So what is glycosylation? The process where addition of carbohydrates to protein or lipid occurs. That process is known as glycosylation. So we will add carbohydrate either to protein or to the lipid. That process is known as glycosylation. So if protein is if the carbohydrate is added to protein, they are called as glycoprotein, and if we add carbohydrate to lipid, they are called as glycolipid. And we have seen this glycoprotein and glycolipid in, these are present in plasma membrane on the surface. So they act as a receptors on the surface of plasma membrane. Another important function of Golgi is synthesis of lysosomes. So lysosomes are synthesized from Golgi.